Hello everyone, I am your host Ayushikara Sethia and welcome back to our channel Pabbly. In this video we are going to learn how you can send Google Hangouts or Google Chat messages for your new activity in HubSpot CRM and that too automatically. So the idea here is that whenever a new ticket is raised in your HubSpot CRM account, automatically the ticket details, its description should be shared on Google Hangouts with your team. That this new ticket has been raised and this is the description of that particular ticket. For this, we need to create a connection between HubSpot CRM account and Google Hangouts so that whenever a new ticket is raised, automatically the team on your Google Hangouts should receive a message. So in order to create a connection, we are going to use a software application named Pabbly Connect. So basically, Pabbly Connect is an automation and integration software which will help us in integrating both these software applications automatically. The best part here is it doesn't require any coding skills or programming knowledge. Even a non-technical person can use this software application very easily. So let us learn the integration process now on my screen. So we are back on my screen. Here we are going to search for Pabbly, pabbly.com in our browser. This is the website of Pabbly. Here we have to come to products and click on Pabbly Connect. This is the landing page of Pabbly Connect. As you are the first time user, you have to click on sign up for free option and you can create your own account in just 2 minutes. By clicking on sign up free button, you will get 100 tasks free every month. As I already have an account with Pabbly Connect, I'll simply click on sign in. In the all apps section, come to Pabbly Connect and click on access now. This is the dashboard of Pabbly Connect. Here we have to create a workflow. For that, come to this plus sign and click on create workflow. Now here we have to give a name to the workflow. So let us give the name as HubSpot to Google Chat integration. Here you can give the workflow name as per your requirement and simply click on create. Now we can see a trigger window and an action window. So Pabbly Connect works on the concept of trigger and action. Trigger means when this happens, action means do this. So in this use case, we want to send the Google Chat messages for each and every new activity which you are doing in your HubSpot account. For that, open this trigger window, choose the application name as HubSpot CRM. Select the trigger event as new ticket. Click on connect. Click on add new connection. Now it is asking for the API key. So let us read the instructions. Log into your HubSpot account. Click the settings icon, settings in the main navigation bar. In the left sidebar menu, navigate to the integrations, move to API. If a key has never been generated for your account, click on generate API key or you can copy the key from there and you can paste it over here. So let's move to the HubSpot account. And here we can find the settings option. Click on settings. And here in the left side we can find the integrations option. Click on integrations and click on API key. And here we can find the active API key. So I'm just going to copy this API key from here. Okay, I'll just confirm this API access key. Okay, let's copy it. And we have to paste the same API key over here. Okay, and let's click on save. And now the HubSpot CRM account is connected to Pabbly Connect. Now before clicking on save and send test request, first we are going to create a new ticket in our HubSpot CRM account. Just because after clicking on this option, it is going to capture the latest response. So let's move to the HubSpot CRM account. Here I'll just click on this back button. Okay. And here we are going to just create a new ticket. Click on this create ticket button. Here we have to give a name to the ticket. So let us give it as Mattermost Trigger Issue. Okay, and here you have to select the pipeline. So I have created a pipeline named support pipeline. You have to select your pipeline over here. Ticket status as new. If you want to select some other status, you can select it as per your requirement. I am just making a new ticket. I am selecting the status as new. Here we have to give a description to the ticket. So I am just giving it as Mattermost trigger is not capturing the response. Here we have to select the source. So I am just selecting it as an email. Okay, here you have to select your ticket owner. So as Ashira is my owner, it is automatically captured. Here we are going to set the priority as low. Created date, so let us map today's date, that is 4th of April 2022. Associate ticket with, so I'm just selecting any of the contacts from here. Let us select it as Swati Sharma. Okay, and here we are going to add the company name. Okay, and let's click on create. So the new ticket is raised over here. Okay, and here we can find the ticket as Mattermost trigger issue. Okay, and let's move back to Pabbly Connect. And now we are going to click on save and send test request. Okay, and here we can see the responses received and all the details of the ticket are captured over here. Here we can find the content as Mattermost trigger is not capturing the response, the description of the ticket. Okay, and here we can find the created date and time. Let's scroll down. And we have got all other details. Here we have got the priority and other details also. We have got the subject as Mattermost trigger issue. Okay, so here we can see that all the details related to the ticket are captured over here. Now here I want to give you an important information that here you can see that the data has captured immediately, but sometimes it may take some time in capturing the data over here, just because the trigger here is polling based and it will take time to capture the response. So if your data doesn't get captured immediately, don't worry about that and please wait for 15-20 minutes patiently. The data will surely arrive. Okay. So now we want to share this ticket details with your team on your Google Hangouts or Google Chat as a new message. So come to this action step, choose the application name as Google Hangouts or Google Chat. Select the action event as create message. Click on connect. Now here we have to give the chat webhook URL. For that I'll take you to my Google Chat account. And here I have already created a room or a space named Pabbly Connect. So now I want all the messages to be delivered on this particular room or the space named Pabbly Connect. So we are going to create the integration between this particular room and Pabbly Connect. So let us just click on this small arrow sign and here we can find manage webhooks option. Click on it. Now here we can find the webhooks. So I'm just going to add a new webhook. If you want to use any of the previous webhook, you can use it over here. Okay, I'm just going to add a new webhook over here. Let's give the name as HubSpot Tickets. Okay, and let's click on save. Okay, and here we can see that the new webhook is saved over here. I'm just going to copy it and I'll be pasting the same webhook URL over here. Now it is asking for the message. What is the message you want to deliver to your team on your Google Chat account? So I'm entering the message as new ticket raised, and let us add the details over here as ID, description and subject also. So I'll just add the subject in between ID and description. Okay, ID, subject and its description. And here we are going to add the details, or we are going to map the details which we have already received from the HubSpot CRM account. So we are going to map all these details now. Okay, let us map them one by one. Here we'll be mapping the ID. For mapping, just come to the ID option, give a space, come to HubSpot CRM account and let us find the ID over here. So this is the ticket ID. Here we have to map the subject. So come to HubSpot CRM and let us find the subject over here as Mattermost trigger issue. And in the same way, we are going to map the description also. So let us map the description. Okay, as content, Mattermost trigger is not capturing the response. Okay, so we have mapped the message over here. Now let's click on save and send test request. And here we can see the response is received. It means a new message is delivered to your team on your Google Hangouts. Let's check it. Okay, I'll just close this window from here. And here we have got a new message, new ticket raised, ID as this, subject as Mattermost trigger issue and description as Mattermost trigger is not capturing the response. So in this way we can see that our integration is working fine. Now as we have created a connection between HubSpot CRM account and Google Chats, next time whenever you are going to raise any of your tickets in your HubSpot account, automatically your team is going to get a notification or a message on your Google Chats platform. So let's move back to Pabbly Connect and let us save this workflow first. Data saved successfully. Okay. Now we are going to check this in the real time, that whether our integration is actually working fine or not. For that, I'll just go to my HubSpot CRM account once again, and here we are going to just create a new ticket. So I've entered the details over here. Ticket name as constant contact issue. Here I have selected the pipeline as support pipeline. Ticket status as new. I have added a random description as constant contact action. Create contact is not working properly. Source as email. Ticket owner. Priority as medium. I have selected created date as today's date. And I have selected the associate ticket with a specific contact, that is Nitin Maheshwari, and I have added the company name as Pabbly. And let's click on this create button. Okay, and here we can see that a new ticket is raised and the ticket name is constant contact issue. Now we have to check our Google Hangouts or Google Chat account. And we have to just refresh it. And even after refreshing, we can't find the ticket details shared on our Google Chat account over here, just because the trigger here is polling based and it will take time to capture the response. So let's wait for some time. Okay, and within some minutes, I have got a new message. New ticket raised, ID as this, subject as constant contact issue, description as constant contact action, create contact is not working properly. So in this way, we can see that our integration is perfectly working fine. So let's move back to Pabbly Connect. And I'll just minimize all these windows and let us see in a nutshell whatever we have done till now. So first we have created an integration between HubSpot CRM and Pabbly Connect. Then Pabbly Connect has captured all the details of the new ticket whenever a new ticket was created into your HubSpot CRM account. And using those details of the ticket, automatically a new message was delivered to your team on your Google Chats platform. And in this way, we have created a successful integration between HubSpot CRM and Google Hangouts using Pabbly Connect. So not just these software applications, you can integrate a ton of applications and automate your business using Pabbly Connect. In case of any queries, you can visit our Pabbly forum. To check the pricing details of Pabbly Connect, you can visit this particular URL. Also, the link of Pabbly Connect and this workflow is available in the description box. You can clone the same workflow into your account directly. If you really like this video, please comment, share and subscribe. Thank you everyone.